This is our team's PDS project made by myself, Ganesh, Shrinivas, Shishir and Sandeep. We made the classical snake game using LED matrix and joystick control.
Coming to its components, this is Arduino, the microcontroller that we used to make this project. It takes the input and gives the output, and it is the one that stores the code that we have given in input. We have given it through an external power supply. We can even give the power supply to it through the laptop using this port. And this is a breadboard that makes our circuit easier to connect, and it is just an alternative for soldering the wires and other stuff. And this is a piezo buzzer that we have used to give musical effects to the game. And coming to the main components, this is the analog joystick that comes with dual axis and with a switch that we have used the switch to refresh the or reset the game, and this controls the x-axis and the y-axis of the matrix. This is an 8x8 LED matrix that comes with MAX7219 driver that makes its 8 plus 8 pins simplified to just 5 pins, making our work easier. And coming to this is a potentiometer that regulates the voltage supply, and we have used it to regulate the speed of the snake in the game. Let me show. And coming to this, we have used the switch by a long press to reset the game. You can see the snake moving, and we can control the speed of the snake. As you can see, snake is moving faster and slower now. Let me end the game. Coming to this device, it is showing the score that I have made just now, and it is also showing the highest score that has been made till now. HS means high score, the 16 is the high score, and the 3 is the score of the present match. Coming to this component, it is a 7 segment 4 digit display that comes with TM1637 driver that makes its complicated pins easier to 4 pins, just like the driver in this matrix. And this we have used to show the score. And these are the major components other than the resistance and the jumper cables. And now coming to a demo model of our project.